More than 1 in 7 adults in the world have chronic kidney disease, and many don't know it. Could the right morning fruits help protect and cleanse your kidneys naturally? We're going to explore 10 morning fruits to cleanse your kidneys. These fruits are packed with hydration, antioxidants, and kidney-friendly nutrients that may help reduce inflammation, flush out toxins, and keep your urinary system running smoothly. Before we dive in, please help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the like button. Your support can help others become aware of these important symptoms. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kidneys Detox and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos packed with health tips and valuable information. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will help you combat kidney disease without heavy medication. Let's get started. Number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits for your kidneys. Its natural diuretic effect encourages urine flow, helping flush out toxins and reduce the buildup of minerals that can cause kidney stones. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, it also helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. A 2013 study in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture found that watermelon extract increased urine output and reduced oxidative damage in kidney tissues. Eating watermelon first thing in the morning maximizes hydration after hours of sleep, giving your kidneys a gentle flush. For extra benefits, pair fresh slices with mint or a squeeze of lemon to enhance its cleansing properties. Always choose fresh over juice to retain fiber and avoid added sugars. Watermelon's sweetness hides a powerful cleansing ability that silently supports kidney function, especially when enjoyed on an empty stomach at the start of your day. Next, we'll reveal another fruit that hides a cleansing power that works silently to protect your kidneys. Number 9. Apples. Apples are a gentle yet effective kidney-friendly fruit, rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that helps remove toxins and lower cholesterol. Their natural anti-inflammatory compounds, like quercetin, support kidney health by reducing oxidative stress. Eating a fresh apple in the morning provides hydration and a slow release of natural sugars, making it ideal for stable energy without spiking blood sugar. The skin contains much of the antioxidant content, so wash thoroughly and eat unpeeled for maximum benefit. Apples also contain malic acid, which can help reduce the risk of kidney stones by preventing calcium oxalate crystal formation. Choose organic when possible to avoid pesticide residues. The next fruit offers a tropical twist with a surprising mineral balance that your kidneys will thank you for. Number 8. Pineapple. Pineapple is naturally rich in bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling in kidney tissues. Its high vitamin C content supports immune function, while its potassium levels are moderate, making it safer for those watching potassium intake. Eating pineapple in the morning on an empty stomach can aid digestion and help your body better absorb nutrients throughout the day. Fresh pineapple chunks or a smoothie with coconut water can give your kidneys a refreshing start. Avoid canned pineapple and heavy syrup, as excess sugar can burden the kidneys over time. Select ripe golden yellow pineapples for the sweetest flavor and highest nutrient content. From tropical sweetness, we move to a fruit that's small in size but mighty in cleansing potential. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Their low potassium content makes them a safe choice for most kidney-conscious diets. Eating a handful of fresh blueberries in the morning can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation, both of which are important for kidney function. They also have natural compounds that may help prevent urinary tract infections, indirectly supporting kidney health. For an easy morning boost, sprinkle blueberries over oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie with spinach and almond milk. Frozen blueberries are a good alternative when fresh isn't available, as they retain most of their nutrients. The next fruit is often overlooked, but has a unique ability to help your kidneys filter more effectively. Number 6. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit loaded with kidney-supportive nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and potassium in moderate amounts. Its standout compound, papain, is a natural digestive enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and supports detoxification. A 2014 study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine found that papaya extract offered protective effects against kidney damage in animal models, likely due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Eating ripe papaya in the morning hydrates your body and promotes smooth digestion, which indirectly reduces the toxin load on your kidneys. For an extra cleansing boost, drizzle fresh lime juice over papaya slices to enhance vitamin C absorption and flavor. Avoid unripe papaya, as it can be harder to digest. Its naturally sweet, soft flesh makes it easy to eat first thing in the day, providing both hydration and key nutrients. Papaya's gentle yet effective cleansing power makes it a valuable ally in preserving kidney function over time. We're now deep into uncovering how morning fruit choices can either support or silently sabotage kidney health. The truth is, not every fruit promoted as detoxifying lives up to the hype, and some can even overload your kidneys with excess potassium, hidden sugars, or pesticide residues. The wellness market thrives on these myths, pushing exotic imports or overly processed juices that strip away the very fibers and enzymes your body needs for real cleansing. For everyone, when kidney efficiency naturally declines, these marketing traps can be more harmful than helpful. The empowering choice? Prioritize whole, seasonal fruits, wash them thoroughly, and opt for organic when possible to reduce chemical exposure. Pair them with water-rich foods and adequate hydration to amplify their cleansing effect. But there's an often overlooked factor in fruit selection that goes beyond nutrients, and it's quietly influencing how well your kidneys can filter and protect your body each day. Number 5. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, but they also support kidney cleansing by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. This reduces the risk of infections that can travel to the kidneys. Their natural acidity helps dissolve certain types of kidney stones and maintain a healthy urinary pH. Fresh cranberries are best, but unsweetened cranberry juice diluted with water can also be effective. In the morning, blend fresh cranberries with apple or pear for a tart-sweet, kidney-friendly drink. Avoid sweetened cranberry cocktails, as added sugar can counteract the benefits. The next fruit is a citrus powerhouse that helps your kidneys flush out harmful compounds while boosting overall hydration. Number 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a low-calorie, high-water fruit rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also supports liver detoxification, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Its natural bitterness comes from naringenin, a compound shown to have protective effects on kidney cells. Eating half a grapefruit in the morning can help hydrate your body and stimulate digestion. If you're on certain medications, check for grapefruit interactions before adding it to your diet. Choose fresh grapefruit over juice to maximize fiber intake and avoid excess sugar. From tangy citrus, we move to a fruit that's sweet, creamy, and surprisingly effective at supporting kidney health. Number 3. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to reduced inflammation and protection against kidney damage. Their natural polyphenols help improve blood flow, which aids in the filtration process. A 2016 study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that resveratrol supplementation improved kidney function markers in animal models with kidney disease. While grapes alone won't replace treatment, they can be a supportive dietary addition. Eat a handful of fresh red grapes in the morning, preferably with the skin on, as that's where most antioxidants are concentrated. Freeze them for a refreshing snack, or blend them into a smoothie with spinach and cucumber for an extra cleansing effect. The next fruit might surprise you. It's soft, fragrant, and carries a unique compound that helps the kidneys work more efficiently. Number 2. Pears. Pears are gentle on the kidneys thanks to their low potassium content and high water percentage, which supports hydration and helps flush waste. They're rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that binds toxins and aids in their elimination, reducing the workload on your kidneys. Pears also contain antioxidants like vitamin C and copper, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Their natural sorbitol content can help regulate bowel movements, indirectly lowering the toxin load in your system. Eating a ripe pear in the morning provides a mild sweetness and steady hydration without overwhelming your body with sugar. For an extra cleansing boost, slice pears into a salad with cucumber and mint, or blend them into a smoothie with lemon juice and spinach. Choosing organic pears helps minimize pesticide exposure, as their thin skin can absorb residues. Pears' subtle flavor and cleansing properties make them a soothing, kidney-friendly start to your day. Before we unveil the #1 morning fruit, let's take a moment to share some exciting news. To help you manage kidney disease more effectively, we're offering 3 extraordinary free gifts just for you. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Superfoods that Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys Naturally. This isn't just a list, it's a collection of delicious and beneficial foods that can help you combat kidney disease naturally. Then for those who love cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book filled with snacks, meals, and desserts designed to lower creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. These recipes are both tasty and tailored to support your kidney health. Finally, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, The Real Root Cause of Kidney Disease and How to Eliminate It Forever. In this video, a renowned kidney health expert reveals a simple 5-minute daily routine to effectively combat kidney disease. This is invaluable knowledge you don't want to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, just click on the link in the description below. Now let's get back to our countdown and reveal the #1 fruit that stands as a pillar in the 10 morning fruits to cleanse your kidneys. Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most powerful kidney cleansing fruits you can start your morning with. Its high citric acid content helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urinary citrate levels, which bind calcium and reduce crystal formation. A 2008 study in the Journal of Urology found that daily lemon juice therapy significantly increased urinary citrate and reduced stone recurrence in patients prone to kidney stones. Drinking warm lemon water first thing hydrates the body after sleep, stimulates digestion, and supports the kidney's natural filtration process. The vitamin C in lemons also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting kidney tissues from oxidative stress. For best results, squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into warm water and drink on an empty stomach. Avoid bottled lemon juice, as it often contains preservatives and less active citric acid. Beyond its refreshing taste, lemon offers a scientifically validated way to protect and cleanse your kidneys daily. So there you have it, 10 morning fruits to cleanse your kidneys. Consistently adding these fruits to your morning routine can be a simple yet powerful step toward protecting your kidneys and boosting overall health. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these kidney cleansing fruits are you most excited to add to your breakfast? Have you noticed improvements after making these changes? Share your experiences and any tips you have in the comments below. Your input could be invaluable to others seeking to improve their kidney health. If this video has provided valuable insights or reinforced your health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Kidneys Detox, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you never miss our new videos packed with crucial health tips. The Super Thanks feature is also a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Your contribution makes a difference in spreading life-saving information. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts linked in the description below. They're filled with actionable tips and delicious recipes to support your kidney health journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to a healthier, happier you.